How to browse and download wallpapers using Zedge. First of all, open the Zedge app and make sure you are on the home screen. At the bottom, tap on the Wallpapers tab to explore a wide range of categories and feature designs. You can choose from popular or newest wallpapers for quick access to trending or freshly added content. For more options, tap on categories and select from various styles like nature, abstract, minimal, anime, and more. If you are looking for something specific, use the search bar at the top and enter keywords that match your style preference. Once you find a wallpaper you like, tap on it to preview. You will see the download button. Tap on it. It will show options like Make 3D Parallax, Set Wallpaper, Set Lock Screen, Set Boot, Adjust, and Save to Media folder. To download the wallpaper, simply tap Save to Media folder. The image will be saved directly to your device gallery, making it easy to access and apply later through your settings. Browsing through Zedge makes it easy to discover unique and high-quality wallpapers, and downloading them is just a tap away. Now you know how to browse and download wallpapers using Zedge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.